Sufyan, what's 12 times 365?
Wait, 12? Isn't it 5?
Well, because considering that 5 years is too short, as I love spending time with that. So, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, of course.
What is your memorable and most fun experience of leadership and also, as head boy in our batch?
Well, first of all, I'm so blessed to be a part of this Ohana Xancordis, and I'm so grateful to have you by my side. To be honest, I'm so honored to be given the chance to help our high coms in leading and helping our batch. And lastly, I will never forget a day in my life to be having my brothers and sisters by my side every day.
Say this batch is comprised of many different people with their own unique talents. Each one have their own unique personalities which comprise this big family we call Xancordis. Xancordis literally means unity and harmony. And I think that depicts our batch quite well. It's exactly how I see it and how it is. You know, the bond between the boys, the friends, the girls. We can really feel it when we are all together all at once.
Honestly, I was very worried because being suddenly put together with people from different backgrounds and people who were raised differently from each other, there was always constant bickering and there was always some sort of disagreement going on, and I was quite worried that it would stay this way. But honestly, over the past 5 years, I'm really happy that we managed to form like a really strong bond and that people genuinely care about this batch and the people.
Actually, the sad feeling is the most that I feel now, because throughout 5 years in this college, I've went through many troubles, went through many hardships and just many problems, But throughout all my problems and hardship, they were my friends going through all that with me. Despite me being a problem maker, or even more than that, they still stood by my side. They didn't just left me out, It's really sad to think that it's gonna end just like that.
Compared to when I was Form 1, when I was in Form 1, I really didn't know many people here because neither of them were from my primary school, nor were they from my RBS group. And I really feel like I didn't want to be here at all. But as we did a lot of activities together, we did a lot of class interactions, mingled around here and there, I felt like I understood the meaning of friendship. And I really think it's a hard action to do, right? Understanding friendship, because it's not something teachers teach you in school. And I felt really great about that. And as soon as I felt like I knew the meaning of friendship, I forgot the meaning of the word lonely even existed.
How about you, Anissa?
Well, for me, I am also really thankful to be given this opportunity to become head girl and have Sufyan by my side. And also, I would like to thank everyone. We would like to thank the teachers, staffs, and also the cleaners and also the dining hall staff, because without all of you, we don't think that our batch could have a conducive environment and be where we are today.